Okay, so before we dive in and start hacking into things, just want to say a word or two about some of the legal disclaimers and things like that. I'm not a lawyer, but we're going to take a look at a lot of different hacking tools, a lot of different security vulnerabilities. These vulnerabilities exist in a lot of websites on the internet, right? We're going to look at the top 10 issues that people use to break into websites. The reason they're the top 10 is because they exist all over the place. You will definitely be able to take the information you've learned in this class, the attack techniques, the tools, that sort of stuff, just the mindset of how to break into websites and literally break into people's websites. So all I can say is never do any testing or anything like that on a site that you don't have permission to do testing on, right? If you just start hacking things on the internet, bad things will happen. You will definitely get in trouble. So be very careful about who you do testing for. Test your own sites, things like that. If you want to test a friend's site or something like that, make sure you have permission before you test any sites. That's all I have to say. You're on your own, but please don't get in trouble. Don't start hacking into random people's sites. Only do testing if you have permission to do it.